Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to troubleshoot a Toro snowblower that won't start. Check the fuel tank. Drain and replace the fuel in your snow thrower, especially if it has been more than 60 days since the last time you used the snow thrower. Remove the fuel cap. Replace with a new mix of gasoline and engine oil by following a 50:1 ratio. Tighten the cap and restart the engine.
Take our lead.
If the spark plug is badly corroded or cannot be cleaned properly, replace it with a new one. Turn the engine over a few times, remove the spark plug and check for gasoline on the plug. If the plug is wet, and you can smell gasoline, then gas is getting into the engine.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
First, make sure the gas in the tank is fresh. Older gas can form gummy deposits that interfere with starting. Gummy deposits clog the carburetor, so clean or replace the carburetor if it's clogged. Check the fuel line and fuel filter and replace those components if clogged.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.